guys. May malimba guys. May tumawag din yung dump truck guys. Sa malimba guys. Okay guys, nandito kami ngayon sa may malimba guys. May nataop na dump truck guys. Guys, sorry namin guys, malapit na kami sa highway. Nakikita nyo guys, sorry tumataob ng dump truck guys. Okay guys, kaya namin sa may highway guys, kaya matraffic dito guys sa may malimba guys. Yan guys, ngayon lang umaga to guys, natawag lang dump truck guys. Grabe guys, itong umaga na to guys, kaya matraffic dito sa may malimba guys. Tumawag guys ang dump truck guys na buhangin guys. Yun sa mismo sa may matapat ng barangay ng Malimba guys. Yan guys, matindi yung nangyari guys sa dump truck guys. Nataob guys, itong umaga lang to guys. Sumabog yung gulong guys. Yan guys, sobrang traffic guys. Ayan guys, sobrang traffic guys. Traffic masyado guys. Dito yan sa may tapat ng barangay hall ng Malimba guys. Ngayon umaga lang to guys. Guys, so matindi nangyari sa driver siguro guys. So taob guys, siguro naipit guys yung driver guys. Yan guys, so kaya sobrang traffic guys. Traffic din sa may Malimba guys. Yan, tapat ng barangay hall ng Malimba guys. Sobrang traffic ngayon guys dito. Follow and share guys kung saan itong video to guys. Buti walang nasaktan dito guys. Guys, sobrang traffic talaga guys. malimba to guys. Sobrang tapit guys. Follow and share guys. Guys, tingnan nyo guys. Ayan na guys. Tingnan nyo naman guys. Ayan guys. Sobrang traffic nyo dito guys.